So, hey guys, welcome to Cough Code and with Brew. Wait a second. Okay, so welcome to Code and Brew, and today I will be streaming. Uh, Sorry for basically my mobile is giving too much notifications, so I just turning my mobile off. Okay, so hey guys, welcome to my channel Code and Brew. Okay, so in this stream, I will be continuing to create the game named Sprite, and today I will be covering some of the topics like parallax, how we can create a parallax, and how we can I will be trying to create a parallax, and I will be uh, trying to experiment regarding the flying animation, and also try to add features like clicking based sound, where when you click something and the sound came out. So we are syncing the audio with the effects, uh, and these will be separate parts. So what I am doing, I am trying to learn all these things separately. Like in previous stream, I have created a animation on the dog character, okay, and that was separate. Now I will be adding parallax, creating a parallax, and that part will be separate uh, in the separate file. And after that I will be creating a flying animations, that will be in the separate file. Right now I'm just experiment, so I'm just testing it out whether I can do it or not. uh, After completing all these things, I will be merging in the later stream all together to create a final game. Okay, so in yesterday's stream, if you have seen that I have created a dog animation, and after that I have tried to run the dog animation and it was working fine, but I want to make it even more smooth. And one more thing, the code for this, all these things that I am uh, creating and trying to testing, uh, will be available on the GitHub. You can check it out from the description below. So let's get started. So let's get started with the parallax animation, and after that we will go to the next topic, which is to create a flying animation. All these things are experimenting. I don't know about the gaming thing. I don't know how to create a game purely from JavaScript, not any packages or anything else. I will be just using HTML canvas, and I will be using JavaScript and canvas APIs that are provided by the browsers, and that's it. And I will be trying to create an game from that. So I don't have any experience in the game, and I haven't created any game earlier in my whole experience. So this is my first time to create a game, so it will be my experience. So I will be showing my experience of struggle that I will be going through in the stream, and you can watch and enjoy by drinking coffee, or you can code along with me, or if you have any question to ask, you can ask question also, or if you have any suggestion, you can suggest me on the comment below, and do whatever you like. Okay, let's get started. So first I will be creating one more thing. So I'm using Helix editor and with Tmux. So uh, I'm not comfortable with the Helix editor. I am making myself comfortable with the Helix editor. So yeah, I'm struggling also with using this editor also. So yeah, enjoy with my experience with all this. Okay, so let's first check for the file. Sometimes key binding doesn't work, it's slow sometimes. Okay. So what I will be doing, I will be checking index.html file. script.js and style.js. Okay, so I have all the assets and all the files created earlier. I will. Okay, so one more thing. What am I doing? Yep. Okay. Okay, great. One more thing. Let me go to the Parallax background. Okay. And let me first open my index file. I will be writing the structure burst, and after that I will be adding some styles to it, and after that I will be creating script. Okay, so let me do one thing. What I will be doing, I think I will be just copy pasting. I will not write all these things again and again. Should I write? Because right now I'm learning, so I usually prefer typing, not copy pasting. So I think I will be learning, so I will just type everything. So let me tell you, you should also type while learning. Okay. Okay, so sorry. Okay, I'm not great with. Yeah. Okay, so HTML, go inside the head, go inside meta. We have 3 meta, so 3 plus link. Okay, and what I will be doing, I will be closing. Okay. For style, I will be providing style.css, and for meta, in first I will be providing char set. Char set will be UTF-8, so the encoding type is UTF-8 character, and let me. What are the remaining? Okay. What are we doing? Sorry. Okay. Okay, my location is not right. Okay. So basically, I have calling the folder inside another folder. Basically, it's not inside another folder. It is basically inside in the main folder, which is game in JavaScript. Okay, so what I'll be doing, I will be just checking the header file. Inside the header file, I have written some meta tag, so I will be just checking the meta tag here. Okay. Okay, so just type http module http equivalent to x ua compatible. So we are telling basically the browser that it is compatible with the Internet Explorer Edge also. Okay, let me tell you one thing more. This is not a tutorial, so it's just a stream where I just try some new stuff, After this stream I will be creating another stream where I will be creating a project, and that part will be tutorial. I will be explaining each and everything on that. So if you want to watch that stream also, follow and subscribe, and you can share my link also, so that more people will see, more people will come here, and that will support me also. Okay. Compatible name viewport. So I want to make it responsive also, so that's why I'm giving another meta tag. I'm telling the width will be the width of the device width. Okay, and I will be giving an initial scale. The scale will be 1.0. Okay, so viewport will be this, width will be the device width, and initial scale will be 1.0. I have given the style.css also. Okay, now let me create a body. Inside the body, the canvas, I will be creating a canvas tag. So inside the canvas I will be creating a parallax animation. So canvas, and then I will be creating a script tag, and yep, awesome. So for the script, what I will be doing, I will be providing a source. The source will be script.js. I have already created this file, script.js file, and I have created the source. Oh, okay, it's not inside this thing. So created inside the canvas. Okay, so I will provide canvas with an ID, name canvas1, and okay, that's it. Okay, this looks fine. Let me open the index.html. Oh. Okay. Parallax underscore backgrounds. Okay, so this is not by the file. Okay, so I have written the wrong destination of the file. Okay. So what is the destination? Background. Oh, okay, I'll make it plural. Basically it was not S, it was only background, not backgrounds. Okay, it looks good. It's not showing anything here. Let me save this first. Let me refresh this out. Okay, it's been created. So let's go to the style file, style.css file. Wait for a sec. Wait for a sec. Okay, what I will be doing, I will be providing canvas one with an ID. I will be providing a position. The position will be 50% from the top and 50% from the left. So I am just creating a frame, canvas frame. and where I will be creating a frame where I will be showing a parallax animation inside that frame. Okay, so it will be 5 pixel, I think solid, and the color will be black, I think. Let me check. Let me first save this. I will fish this out. Okay, canvas 1. Oh, okay. I have created one. Okay, great. Okay, I have to add one more thing. Let me give this thing a width of I think 600 pixel. Okay, and the height of 600 pixel. So I'm creating a square box and okay, but okay, so uh, let me check the style. Why it is not working this? One more thing. I have to give a position also. Position will be absolute, and we'll be fixing this thing. And let first check what basically the style will be look like. Oh, okay, it's moved to the center. Okay, so I have to move it to this point. So what I will be doing, I will be using transform. So I will be pushing this square to the center. So the transform will be using, we will use translate, and we will be moving minus 50% upwards and minus 50% downward along x-axis, minus 50% x-axis. So it will be moving here, and minus 50% along y-axis, it will be moving upwards here. Okay, so it will come in the center. Let me save this thing first. Okay, you can see here it will be in the center now. One more thing I have to add here. I will be making a body with a background of black. So I will be giving a black background to a body. Okay, so what I will be doing, I will be giving background dot I will be giving a hex color of 2:1. It's not a completely background color, so I will be giving that, and after that I will not be the border color will not be black because it will not be even visible to the naked eye. So I have to give a color of gray. It's literally relatively light, so you can see that. Don't want to give a white, perfect white. So what I will be doing, okay, so I've given background here, I've given this and this. Okay, let's check. Great, it's working fine. Look good. Okay, so everything's look good. Okay, so I have created a style.css file. I've already created a index.html file. Let's write a script.js file also. Let's start creating animation. Okay. 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 In the back of Chicago, I feel it. Another version of it. Okay. Give me a moment, please. I'm just opening, just checking one of the things. Mhm. Okay. Uh-huh. Give me 5 minutes. Okay, so basically my mouth was getting dried, so I was filling the water so that I can drink during the stream. Okay. So to create an animation, parallax animation, I will be using a canvas and canvas API. So let's get started. Okay. So to create a parallax animation, I have some assets. Let me show you that first. Okay. Give me a moment. Save somewhere. Parallax background. Okay, so these are the images that I will be using to create a parallax. So these are the images that I will be using. Okay, to create a parallax. So parallax, basically, what does it means? That we are merging 2 or 3 layers together and moving each layer with a different speed. So it creates an illusion of movement. So in the 3D, it looks like 3D, but it's create an illusion of the 3D feel, but it is basically a 2D. So I will be using for that. So these are the assets that I will be using. If you want these assets, you can comment me and I will be sharing the assets in the comments. Okay. Okay. Okay, so what I will be doing, I will be creating a variable named canvas. Okay, and I will be calling canvas canvas tag that I have created in the index.html file using get element by id. Element by id. I will be passing the id. The id was canvas 1 basically, and after that I will be creating a context. So it will I will be using a 2D API of the canvas. So I will be using methods for the 2D because I'm creating a animation game for the 2D game. I will be creating a 2D game. Okay, so I will be giving a width. So width I have already provided to the canvas screen. As you can see here, it is 600 pixel by 600 pixel. So the canvas width and canvas height will also be a 600 pixel. But okay, canvas underscore width equal will be canvas dot width equal to 600 dot canvas underscore height. It will be canvas dot height, and it will be also 600. Okay. Okay, so I will be using semicolon. Basically, I usually code in Python also, so sometimes I just confuse or forget to put semicolon. These things usually happens when I work in different languages. So this is the side effect that I usually get by working on the multiple languages. Okay, so parallax will be the I will be moving the screen. So let me set the game speed, and I will be setting the game speed to 10. I want to set. After that, I will be loading the assets. So what I will be creating, I'm thinking to create a class directly instead of showing you bare without a class. So let me create the background layers and run it without a class first, and after that I will be creating a class file. Okay, so const background layer 1 equals to new image. Oh, okay, new image. Okay, and I will be creating same for this. Select all. How will you select it? Okay, copy, paste. So I think 5 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so come here 2. Here will be 3. Here will be 4. Here will be 5. So I am creating 5 image objects, and I will be loading with different assets layers with all these 5 image objects that I have created, background layers. So let me give the source for layer 1. Give the value for layer 1. So layer -1 dot png. I think This is the name. Let me check. So it is layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, layer 4, layer 5. Yeah, right. So what I will be doing? Okay. Align using. Okay, let's copy this first. Paste it here, then paste it here, paste it here, paste it here. Okay. So what I will be doing? I will be calling 2, 3, 4, 5. Great, and this will be background 2. Background 3, background 4, background 7. Okay, so all these I have created here. Let's create X. So X will be used at X-axis. So I will show you where I'm using this X-axis. Then just further. Let me bring my mic first. Okay, so let's create an animate function. Okay, and I will be calling animate function. Okay, so what I will be doing, I will be drawing the image. I will be calling draw image from canvas 2D canvas API. And inside that I will be passing background layer 1 image, and I will be giving a destination number will be 0, 0. Okay, and what I will do, I will be requesting animation frame to call this animate function again. Create a frame. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, but we cannot see anything here. One more thing. Let me create the border white. Earlier I was thinking not to add white color, but now I'm thinking to add it because it is merging with the the main image, and the border will be, I think, 5 pixel is okay. I don't think I have to change it. Let's refresh this. Okay, I think I will change the, it's not looking good. I will make this to 2 pixels. Let's refresh it out. Let's see. Yeah, it's fine. I'm not here to create a style. I can create that thing later. I'm just setting up the parallax animation. Okay, let's change it to the background layer. I think 5. That will be better. 5. Let's save it. Check this. Okay, why it is not loading? Inspect. Let's call inspect. Let's see canvas. I don't think I'm not seeing anything in canvas. Uh, uh, okay. I'm seeing start testing. Okay. I'm just getting confused with the call. Let me check what is. Okay. So context draw method draws an image. Yeah, I know that part. I just want to check the parameters that it's taking. So SXX, X coordinate where to start clipping, Y coordinate. Okay, so it is basically creating a box inside the image to clip that part of the image to show inside the canvas. Okay, so I'm just passing coordinate of 0, 0 here. Okay, great. Mm-hmm. Let me create a background layer of 4. Let's check. Okay, so it's looking nice. It is showing the buildings. Right? Okay, this looks good. Mm-hmm. Okay, what I will be doing, I will be updating X. So X will be plus plus. I will be moving forward, basically, not backward. Think it will be X. Let's see what it does. Okay. Basically, I'm not creating a canvas before recalling the animate function. So what I will doing, I will be clearing the animation, clear the rec. Okay, and I will be passing 0, 0, and I will be passing canvas. Clear the basically the canvas, whole canvas is clear everything inside the canvas. Okay, so I'm basically clearing everything. I hope my voice is getting my voice is clear. Let's check again. So yeah, it's working, but there is one issue here. So basically we are moving it forward, but we don't know the size of the canvas, the layer, to make it repeated. Okay, so let's check. Is there a way to check the size without providing a fixed value? Is there any way? Let me ask this thing inside the check. Okay. We get the canvas image. Okay, let's ask. Okay, but we cannot basically get the loaded image automatically. Okay. Okay. Okay, so width is 200, 2400 pixel. So it is layer 4. So I just need this thing. Got it. So what I will be doing, let me shrink this thing in here. Save this. Okay, so what I will be doing, I will creating a plus plus here. I think this image is created here, so I have to go here. So I think we are moving it with 1 pixel further. Okay, that's why it is getting shown. So if we move it before here, what is it look like? So basically it will move this image with this. Okay, so what I am doing here, okay, let me get my pen and paper so that I can visualize what I'm basically doing. So I created a canvas screen. Okay, inside the canvas screen, the upper left corner is the coordinate of upper left corner is 0, 0. That part is the origin. Okay, and I am telling it to create or to show the images from the x and y, and which is 0, 0.0, from the origin to the size till the size of the canvas. How much image you can show. Okay, so it can be more than the size of the canvas, so it will not be showing that part, it will crop that part on. Okay, so what I will be doing here, so basically I was giving x plus plus, so what it was moving the image in the right direction, towards the right direction. Okay, So as you can see, only this part of the image was showing, and if we are moving the image in the right direction, what was happening basically, it was going here in the blank side where the image is ended, it is not created over there. Okay, on what I have done, I have given x minus minus, so it was moving in the left direction. So it is confusing right now, but x was moving in left direction, so the images was moving in the left direction, so everything, the remaining part of the image was showing inside the canvas. Okay, but the problem is that I have to check that at which part the canvas gets ended, so that I can reiterate again and again that image. Okay, so what I can do, I can get the size of this image, and let me think first. So if the size of the image is this, if the size of the image is the size of the image is 2400, sorry. If the size of the image is 2400 pixels. Okay, so we are moving it horizontally, so we are checking only width, not height. So the size of the width is 24 pixels, then we have to reset the x value to 0 when it reaches to 24 pixel, I think. 24 pixel. Let me check. At which area that is getting okay, so plus plus from here, if x matches with the 2400, okay, then what I have to do, I have to console.log x. Okay, and what I will be doing, I will be making x equal to 0, and it will be minus. So, yeah. We are moving against in the left direction, so it will be minus. Okay, let's see. Let's check this. Let me open my console first. Make a shot. Okay, refresh this. Okay, so it is moving in the left. The image is moving in the left. Okay. Red. Okay. So it is it hasn't reached the 2400 till now. So okay, so the whole image gone out of this screen, then it gets ended. So what I have to do, I have to plus this 600, I have to minus 2400 with the width of this canvas size. So the width is 600, the thing that I have put it up here, it is 600. So what I will be doing, I will be saying that plus canvas width. If it gets near to the canvas width, then yeah, remove this. Okay, other it will go. Let's start this. Let's refresh this thing. Okay, so it is working now. Okay, so it is working fine here. Okay, so the image is rotating nicely, but it is breaking the continuation of the images. Let me show you that. When it reaches to the end, it just feels like that it is refreshing the whole canvas or something like that. It doesn't look like, see, it just not look nice. So I have to create an illusion of continuity. So if the images gets at the ending of the screen, it will recreate the image again in the back. So how will I do that? Let me first control the speed also. What I am basically doing here, unless it doesn't reaches this. This I will be name minusing this thing with what I will doing. I will minus this with game speed. So basically, I am saying that the x will be jumping, will not be decrementing by 1 pixel. It will be decrementing by 5 pixel or 10 pixel. So it is jumping from 1 pixel to 10 pixel, then 10 pixel to 20 pixel, minus 20 pixel, then minus 20 to minus 30 pixel. So it increases the speed of the image motion movement. Let me show you that. Okay, so refresh this thing. Okay, as you can see here, see, it is somehow looking that it is breaking the continuity here, you can see. So I don't want to break this continuity. It feels like it will going again and again instead of that look like this breaking the continuity right now. So I don't want to do that. Don't want this. Basically I have to change this thing. So I will be creating x2. Okay. Give me a moment, please. Let's do the 2400. What the 2400 will do, it will move to the step mode. Okay. to move to the core and the content. Check the 400 means the X will be okay, so now it will be coming like this. Create a new basically it is coming here. Okay. Okay, so what I will be doing here, I will be creating 400 here, and 400, and I will be creating drawing image of two. I will draw two images. Okay, one image will be from 0, so 24, 2400, combination of 2400. So what I will be doing here, let me think. Okay, so basically I will be creating I will be drawing two images of same background. So one image will be located in the position 0 and 0, 0, and another will located in the position of 2400, 0. Okay, because canvas is 0, 0, and this is 600, 0, and there is another distance where the 2400, 0. So I will be creating one image will be here, okay, and another image will be here, from here. Right. So what it will does, if it reaches to the 2400, okay, when it reaches to the, if it is smaller than 2400, then x will be 2400. Else taking speed. Okay, so what should I do here? Mm, so this one is 2400 means x smaller than means it is crossing the 2400 line, then x will be set to the 2400. So you will be drawing an image at 2400 level, and another will not. Okay. Okay. So what I will do, I will be calling 2400 shipping x to 2400 if it cross. Okay, so x will be 0, x will set here. If it crosses the 2400, if it crosses this thing here, what I have to do, I have to position this image back to the another image. Okay, and it will be at 2400. But the problem is that when we are moving this image and this image gets ended, what I will do, what will happen, it will move this image also. You are moving this images also parallelly, so both images are moving. So when we are positioning back to the 2400, what will happen, it will create some kind of gap. So let me try this first. So basically what I will be doing here, if it reaches to the, it reaches to 24 equal to 2400, not greater, it is negative, so 2400, then set it to 24. Yes, do this. And for x2, copy, paste. Okay, so it will be x2 here. Okay. Okay, what I will be doing here, if okay, so I will be doing x2 equals to 2400, move it to the 2400 position. Okay, else here decrement it to the x2 with gain speed. So we are jumping the pixels, 10 pixels, decrementing with 10 pixels to reach this. Okay, so what I will be doing, I will be just I will saying that if x2 gets smaller or equal to this, what I will be doing, I will be doing that 24,000 plus canvas width. Okay, so it will shift it to the backward to the 24th position. Okay, so let's save it. Let's check this. Okay, but it's not working. Canvas itself is not an issue here. Oh, okay. It is reaching and then we are moving it apart. We are not giving a chance to. Oh, okay. So what I have to do, I have to remove this canvas thing here from here. And I have to remove this thing from here also. And I have to remove this bracket. And it will work. Okay, you can see the gaps. Let me show you again. You see, this is the gap. So what I will be doing to decrease the gap, is there any way to reduce this thing? I have to make it as early as possible, but okay, should I be creating gap? If I add, let's say, let's say it should not switch with the 24 when when x2 reaches to the 24 minus 2400. It should be less than 2400, I think. Let me do that. Gap size. Let me set this thing to 20. Okay. Let's say the gap size, make it yes. Okay. No, 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 not here. You should have to reduce it here. Reduce it to the gap size. So it will not be setting the image, drawing the image on 24,000 position, 2400 position. It will be drawing image less than 2400 position, so that it reduces the gap size also. Okay. Let's refresh this one. Oh, okay. So gap has been reduced. If you can see, there is an overlap. Let me reduce the speed first. Make it 5. Reduce it. Okay. Okay, it reaches to 2400. Then the new images come. Then see, we are merging them. I think gap size is more, so let me reduce the gap first to 10. Okay, let's save this, refresh this. Let's see. Okay, so let's see where the gap was in. Okay, you can see the gap is. Okay, so the gap has been resolved, but there is an efficient way to resolve this gap. Okay, let me drink. Okay, so uh, what should I do then? Give me some moment, please. Ah, okay, so what should I do next? What should I do? Mm, mm, guys, I think let's take a break, short break. Uh, be taking a short break. Okay, let's set the timer. So I'm taking a short break. I will meeting you guys after 14 minutes. Okay, so where are we right now? What I will be doing here, there were issue regarding the synchronization of the frames. So what is happening? Let me open my text editor first. Drawing sketchbook. Mhm. Middle key. So Let me open the file first. Yeah, give me a moment. Okay. The device. Okay, so great. Looking. Okay, let me open this from tablet. Tablet. So what is happening basically here? So this is a canvas frame. Okay, and inside this canvas frame, this is 0, 0. Okay, so this is 0, 0, and the width is 600. Okay, and the height is 600. Okay, so the width is 600 and height is 600. So this will be, if I say this is 0, 0, this is 6, this point will be 600, 0. Sorry, I think it was not working here, and this is 600, 600. Okay, and this is 0, 600. Okay, I don't know, this sketchpad is not working fine, so let me remove this thing. I will open in another page. I think the name was, let me bring here, and on the computer. I think this is the skeleton. Okay, so let me open this. Oh no. Let me open Mm, the canvas, experiment draw. I think it needs some sign up process before starting anything. So let me sign up first, and after that I will start creating the start explaining what the hell am I even doing here. Okay. What paste? Sign in using Google. Let me log in my Google. Okay. So I think I have to pay all this shit, but I don't want to pay. So I think I have to remove this. I'm thinking of creating something app like I'm thinking of creating this app, this thing in after completing the games and everything, the project that I have completed so far. I have basically created a list of all the things that I have to create. So this drawing, or you can say the Xcali draw type of software I want to create. So basically I'm thinking to create this type of thing. So I will be streaming for that software also, but till now I don't need the software because it's just taking so much time. Let me open the drawing notebook first. uh, I have Joplin. Let me omit the Joplin file. I think it is open now. Got it. Let me create a notebook first. The notebook name will be streaming writing. Okay. So inside the streaming writing, okay, new note. I will be creating a new note here. Okay, let me shrink this thing first. And what I will be doing, I will be insert drawing. So now I will be drawing here. So great. What are we doing? Which background will want to make it let's make the grid. Let's make it little bit greenish. Yep. Make it green. I think light green will be good. Not that light green. This is looking too green, so let me Yeah, it looks okay. Okay. This looks good. Now let me do one thing here. Okay, so what I will do? Great. Uh, what I will be doing, I will be changing this color to white, greenish white. Great. Uh-huh. This looks fine. Okay. Uh, Select rubber. Okay, so this is the eraser. This is pen. Okay, so great. What I will be doing, this is the canvas frame. Okay, if you can see. Okay, so this is canvas frame. Okay, cool. This is the origin, which we call 0, 0. This is the origin, which we call 600, 0. Basically, if you say, if this is sorry, let me remove this. If this is origin, you can say. Okay, so if this is origin, what I will be doing, if this is origin, this is the width, you can say, width, which is equals to 600. I've already assigned that to the canvas. And this is height, which is also 600. Okay, so this is in the screen. In the screen we usually create x and y axis like this. So basically, in the screen, in the mobile screen or in the website, laptop screen or any screen, the top left corner is called origin, and if it is above this, it will be positive, I suppose. I think it is positive. Yeah, if it is here, if we move there, is this side the positive, this will be positive. If you move here, this will be negative. If you move here, this will be negative. Okay, so this is the origin here. So in this, you can see this is the origin. This is 600, 0. This will be 600, 600. Okay, this will be the x-axis will be 0 and the y-axis is 600. Okay. Okay, so this is negative. Sorry, I was wrong here. So this is negative and this is positive. Below is positive, above is negative, and the left side is negative for the x-axis and right side is positive for the x-axis. Okay, so this is 0, 600, 0, 0, 600, 0, 600, 600. So what we are doing here, basically, let me create this. Let me save this. Let me save this. Let me I think exit. Let me exit this. Close. Okay, let me create this again. Let me create a drawing notebook again. And what I am doing basically, so this is canvas. Okay, this is 0, 0. So it is a scale. Suppose this is a scale. This is 600. So this is a X scale. Okay, this is X scale. This is 0. This is 600. And the image size is 2400. Okay, and after that there is another 4800. Okay, so what I'm doing here basically, I have created this image. The image size is this much. Okay, and the next image goes here, draws here. Okay, so what happens basically, when X decreases, when we decrement the X moves here. Okay, so image moves also here. It passes this section. Okay, so suppose it passes this section by moving this. Let's suppose this passes here. Okay, and after this passes here, the X goes to negative 2400. Okay, so during the negative 2400, or it is less than negative 2400, or less than and equal to negative 2400, when it reaches that area, what I have to do, I have to move this thing to here. So how will I move this thing to this position? So let me keep you this, let me tell you that also, that this is moving, this image is also moving. Okay, so what I will be doing, when the X, we will be setting X2. I will suppose X2 is somehow minus 2400. Okay, so what I will doing, I will be saying that add the 2400 with X speed. Okay, right, and then negative is with the game speed. So game speed is the velocity at which the pixels X is jumping to the specific pixels. And what will it will do, it offset the size, so it will sync it, because the because what happens in the game, sometimes the frames moves fast and sometimes it may move slow. So there can be a chances that the gaps can get increases also between two frames. So I have to make it synchronizable. So I will just add the component of X. What it does, it will just shift this 2400. So suppose it is the size of 2400 and we are making this 0. I'm getting confused here. Let me go to this here. What I will be doing, I will be removing this thing here. I will be removing, I will not be using gap size. Okay, I will be removing gap size, and I will be using X2. Okay, I will be using X2, Let me verify it first. So I will be offsetting based on the x2. So suppose if x2 is here, then I will be negative. I will be minusing x2 with this x. So suppose so let's show this thing. Let's check this. Let's print console dot log what is x2 basically, and what will be the value of x. Okay, and same goes for this also. Okay, so let me add x. Let me save this. Let's check this out. So what is the value? Let's check. Okay, so value is minus 2400, and the x was 0, and then it is shifted to 2400. Suppose if I increase the speed of the game, okay, suppose I make it 15. Okay, so if I increase the velocity of the game, spin moment. Okay, so let's refresh this. Okay, so it will be 0 and 24. I am okay, so if you can see, the gaps are there, and it is setting to the 2400, but I think there's a component of I suppose speed also. Let me add the speed of 20. Okay, okay, so I think gaps is getting increasing. Okay, you can see the gap also gets increased. So the game component is also present here, so we have to take a consideration of the game also, game speed. Okay, so I think the speed during the time the shifting happens or drawing happens, the game speed also, the initial frames, the remaining frames moves further. So I think I have to pick a component of game speed. Sometimes it gets confusing, so but I hope it will solve this issue, I suppose. If you can see, it is continuous and it is overlapping also. Somehow it is good. Let me increase this thing. Let me increase this to 50. Okay. You can see the x was 0 and it is 2350. You can see, and next time it was minus 50, then it was 2300, then it was 50, 2300, then 50, 2300. It attains the constant speed, but As you can see here, that with this change of the speed, somehow the position of the two frames also changes, and that is interesting here. As you can see, it is fixed, but it is interesting, right? It is interesting. It is so much interesting to see this thing that we have to take a consideration of any minute changes so that it shouldn't break the game. Cool. Let me test with each background layer. Okay. Let me save this. Refresh this. Okay, but why it is not showing the image? Uh-huh. Layer 5. Background 5 is layer 5, but why it is not showing this thing? Okay, let me set the height also. I think the background layer 5 is creating outside the canvas. So let me set the width and height so that it can create inside the canvas width and height. Okay. Okay, let me check this part whether it is showing it or not. Oh, okay, it is working. Canvas width, canvas height. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, but something wrong here. Am I doing something wrong? Okay, so background layer 5. Uh, Let me do one thing. Uh, what am I doing wrong here? Hmm, what is the wrong stuff? What is the wrong stuff? Okay, but um, mm, 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 mm. Okay, space render draw 5 image. Uh-huh. Let's like this. What am I doing wrong here? Why it is not even printing? The image is not showing even. Uh, what are the wrong? I think because of 800 pixel, something else is happening here. I have to do one thing here. Let me check this. It is 720 pixels, so that lower part is not even visible, if I'm right. And okay, so for this part, this is 720 pixels, so that's why it is not visible. Okay, so what I will be doing, I will be setting the height uh, to 750 pixels, 750, or I can say 720. 720 pixel, you can say. That will be better. And I will be doing 800 pixel here. Let me save this. Then we go here, refresh this thing. Okay, so now it is showing this. And it's look great. Okay, so it's look great. Okay, if I increase this thing, should it be, suppose if I make it 820, okay, what will happen then? Yeah, so this will happen basically. Nice. Okay, so uh, is there any way to set this thing? If I say the uh-huh. I think game. How can I make this game responsive? Okay, so let's save this thing. Let this. Let me test the remaining frames. If they are working fine. Okay, this looks also good. This looks also good. And let's check the background one. Okay, so this is also moving, so this looks also good. Great. So what I will be doing, I will be creating a class for the layers, and I will be creating some properties to pass the image and the speed modifiers and many more. And I will be using that layer for each images that I have to create inside the canvas. So let's go and create an object class. So for this I have to remove all these things, and after that I will be creating a class completely from scratch. So let's start it. Okay, let's do let me do one thing here. Okay, let remove Let's let remove let me remove all this code, and I will be implementing all this code inside the class. Okay. uh, okay, so this looks good. Uh-huh. Delete this one, and create the value, update some value. Okay, so what I will be doing, updating the value, drawing the image with new value. Okay. And the layer will take image and speed modifier, you can say, as a parameter. Okay, so let's create x equal to 0, this dot y equal to 0. Okay, let's give some width and height. So the width of the image is, so the width will be, it will be 2400. This dot height of the image is 700. Okay, and why I'm giving 700 not 720, I want to basically remove the extra space, so that if the screen or the canvas size get increased, it has the remaining pixels to show, okay, inside the image. I don't want to completely give 720 pixels, so that I can just completely provide the 720 pixel, and if the 720 pixel, if the image has some gaps inside the canvas, it will not look good. So I will not be giving 720, I will be giving 700 pixels. Okay, and this will be, and 700 pixel, I will be setting 700 pixel for canvas size also, so that is also the thing. I'll not be setting 720 pixel, rather than I will be setting with, I will give 700 to the height of the canvas, and after that I will be creating an x2. So you already know what as x2 is. So that's true. We'll take the width of this. Okay. So guys, I am going now.